Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss about R15V3. Yes, cool features and what are the special features which you would definitely get obsessed of it.
Put your head on my shoulder.
So coming to its features, R15V3 BS6 edition is powered with 155cc air-cooled engine, 14.1 Newton meters of torque and 19 bhp of horsepower. Along with it, you will also be getting dual channel ABS with tubeless tires. So R15V3 BS6 edition, you will get it in 3 color variants. One is black, blue and red with white. These features look to be fine or cool, but the special feature which you will get with this vehicle is slipper clutch. So before going into slipper clutch, I will tell you a scenario wherein you are traveling in highway road and you are going in very high speed, like suppose more than 80 or 100, and suddenly there is some road damage issue or little bump you will be getting, and later on you want to proceed further. So how slipper clutch will help us? So in this scenario, if you are definitely traveling from very high speed and you want to take a sudden break and again carry on with your speed, if you do in normal way, it would definitely damage your engine because you are moving sudden brake rapidly. So, but R15V3, due to slipper clutch, what it makes sure is that it's an extra clutch provided. So it makes sure that during that point of time, engine is not connected with the gear system. So in that case, you can avoid breakdown or damage of the engine. So yes, that's a very cool feature, I would say. Moving ahead, what is the mileage you will be getting? So this is a very interesting fact. Now I can tell my honest opinion, or you can trust me because I'm using this bike since a couple of months. So I would be getting around 45 to 46 in city ride and 51 to 53 in highway roads. That's a very good one in this budget and also this CC, I would say. Nextly, moving into the riding position, many people are concerned that R15V3 looks very aggressive. Also, Piran rider looks very in aggressive position. So I will tell you, riding position, why are people concerned so much? Do we get really back pain or any hand pain, knee pain anywhere? So I will show you that. Before moving into that riding position, I just want to show you a couple of accessories which I bought it for this bike for decent look, I would tell. The first accessories which I bought along with the bike is helmet. It is of course needed. You can see here, even this I bought it from Yamaha. This is very good in terms of looks or even security, I would say. So what are the features of this helmet? So basically you will be getting mouse suspension here. Also air passage of the inlet for your hair to not to get dried or very high passage of air. You just need to open this also so that air passes in this. It makes sure that you will get high frequency of air. Nextly, keychain. Yes, have a look here. Even this is from R15. You can get this from showroom directly, but I had ordered it from Amazon. Nextly, moving into the display unit. If I just turn on the system, so initially it shows my name. So what are the options available here? So initially it displays time. This is kilometer per liter. So this is actually the dynamic kilometer per liter. So how it helps us is, so it actually mentions you in case how much in this moment or in this way you are traveling, how much kilometers per liter you will be getting if you travel in this motion. So this is a dynamic feature and it's a cool feature, I would tell. Here you can see average kilometer per liter. So I got around 47.7 kilometers. This is including city plus highway ride. I had rode for around 200 kilometers. And also average speed, how much I had traveled. So you will be having 2 trips here, just to calculate different trips. If you are traveling from one place to another, you want to make a note of what is the distance you have traveled. And the gears, gear indication and also the fuel indication. Now coming into the riding position, in case if you are concerned that you'll be getting backbone pain or knee pain or ankle pain, so I will suggest you what is the ideal position if you are riding R15 V3. So first case, if you are riding in city ride or little deserted area, so what is a comfortable position? You have to come little closer and lock your thighs with the help of this grip. So in this position you can see that there is no any aggressiveness. You can travel in normal position. This way you will not get any of the pain, I would tell. Now in case if you are traveling in very high speed or in highways, I would tell, this way will not suit you because you should follow little aerodynamic principle, right? And you cannot travel in much speed also if you sit in this position. So what you have to do in case if you are riding in highway roads, come little back, take a grip of this again and also bend little forward. So this is the ideal position, I would tell. But yes, little aggressiveness you would find if you are traveling for very longer time. So you should make sure, just try to make yourself comfortable. Just take a moment break and also again you can start. So this way I would tell, this gives you much good experience. We will have a test ride of R15 V3 and looks how it looks when we ride. This is all about R15 V3 BS6 features and mesmerizing facts about. Coming to its price, it costs around 1.74 to 1.94 lakhs, including 5 years of comprehensive insurance and on-road price. And if you are worried about whether should I go with this or not, so you can definitely trust me because you will definitely have a very good experience. In case if you are a student or a working employee and if you are worried about your parents, no worries, just go with it and trust me, you will definitely have a very good experience. And definitely I am a huge fan of R15 V3.